If you're experiencing login failures in CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize your login process. This guide will help you identify and resolve common issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other websites or applications to confirm that they are functioning correctly. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double-check your username and password for any typos. Make sure that your caps lock is off and that you are entering the correct information associated with your account. Step 3. Update the game client. Make sure that your CS2 game client is up to date. Check for any available updates and install them, as outdated versions can cause login issues. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Clear your browser's cache and cookies if you are logging in through a web interface. This can help resolve any stored data conflicts that might be preventing you from logging in. Step 5. Contact support. If you have tried all the above steps and still cannot log in, reach out to the game's support team. Provide them with details about the issue, including any error messages you receive, to get further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues in CS2. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.